decade ago.
We're glad you guys came by.
Yeah.
A couple things I'm run over. This is your concessions menu. On the back, your general information. 90.3 is the station that you want to tune into.
Cool.
You can grab whatever you like. The concession restrooms haven't moved. They're still right in the same place. When you leave, go to the right of the screen. Don't think back, forget we came in. Your trash bag, if you use it, just tie it up and set it to the pole beside you. We'll get it at the end of the night.
It's a classic car knot. American Graffiti and 2-lane Blacktop on the big screen. And it's a rainy day, so I was kind of expecting there to not be very many old cars here, but there's a few. How close should I get? Maybe I'll go there where all them other old cars are. There's like a Model T or something over there. We doubted the people. Let me see where he wants to park. 1 second. Welcome back to Obsolete Automotive. I'm Austin, and today we're at the recently opened Belmont Drive-In Theater in Belmont, North Carolina. Last time I was here was probably a decade ago, maybe longer. It's been a while, and they unfortunately closed down, and they've been closed down a long time, but they recently reopened, kind of revamped things. So we're here on Classic Car Night, going to see American Graffiti and 2-lane Blacktop. I was kind of thinking I might be the only classic car here because of the rain, but quite a lot of old cars showed up. So that's pretty cool. So now we're just going to see about some concessions, and we're just going to get a menagerie of different things and try them out. It's been a while. I think I remember the stuff was pretty good back when. So we'll see how it is now.
Bowling alley seats that are cheap and white. I put some of those together. Then I wound up bought some damn theaters. Sonic Lodge down in South Carolina. And picked up some picture seats back.
Wasn't expecting to see a 1917 Dodge.
I might be able to remember that. And you're a swinger.
See, I like to come see you buses
You live
sometime.
around here?
I live in Cleveland. Oh, okay. In a minute, I'm gonna shoot anybody that has a loaded gun.
Dude, love the wagon.
Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, looks like Milner.
That's only been a few years ago, right? So how long was like? Yeah.
C10 hiding back there. Don't forget your concessions. And over here's the bathrooms. Got a bunch of food to try. These are very large cherry lemon sun drops. Somebody misjudged the size, so we got 2 of them.
It's a Gaston County specialty.
We got a classic hot dog and hamburger
All the way.
all the way. For those of you not in the South, all the way is chili, slaw, mustard, and onion.
This is build your own all the way.
Oh, build your own all the way. So I guess we get the slaw and everything else separate.
What are you losers doing in there?
What do you got?
Popcorn.
Oh.
Can't go to the drive-in unless you get popcorn.
I just added the slaw. We already had the chili in there. Though I don't know if I see onions and mustard in this. Was that in the bag? Okay, the mustard and the onions were in the bag, so now I'm going to add them. There you have it, all the way. Oh, I don't think I didn't even get that. Let me get the loaded, a quick addition, loaded fries. And I've added all the stuff to the hot dog here, so.
Pretty nice night out there, excellent.
No, it's not too hot.
What were these? Loaded French fries?
fries.
Loaded fries consist of jalapenos, nacho cheese, and chili. Pretty good. And Uncle is eating.
It's not better than popcorn.
Got the hamburger all the way constructed. Ooh. I spared y'all the video footage of me eating the food because that just never turns out good. Hot dog was good. Hamburger was good. But I think the loaded fries was so far my favorite. Thoughts?
I vote for the hamburger myself.
I would have gave the hot dog the number 2. Now I'm gonna. Oh, I can't reach it. Steal my uncle's popcorn since he left to get him a hamburger. We should have got popcorn.
Still time.
Okay, we've got those big gulp sun drops.
Said cherry lemon sun drop is one size only.
Huge. I want a huge cherry lemon sun drop. I'll put his popcorn back before he gets back with his hamburger. Looking at the menu price list, a hamburger is $5, a hot dog is $3, and the loaded fries are $5. So not too crazily priced compared to a lot of places where a hamburger is like $15 or whatever. So typical drive-in kind of food, pretty good. So far so good. There's I was trying to escape. There's a lot of stuff on the menu, your basics, and including dill pickles, guacamole cups, pickled eggs and sausages, then globe braces, foam footballs, and then here under sweet treats, pickle pops, frozen, 50 cents. Really curious about the pickle pop and what that is.
Get one.
Yeah, I think I will get a pickle pop. Just, is it literally a pickle that's frozen? Or is this like a item that's real? I don't know, like you buy pickle pops, or is this just like a frozen pickle? And I wonder if it's on a stick. I have to get one. So one of the problems with old cars is they have AM radios and they don't have speakers here anymore. The poles are still here, but no speakers. I want to say that, I swear that when I first was coming here, they still had speakers, or maybe I'm thinking of another. I've been to a lot of drive-in theaters. Anyways, I brought this little Bluetooth AM, FM, maybe it's just FM. Yeah, FM radio. And this is how I'm going to play the movie. So we tune it to the 90.1 or whatever.
She's real fine.
Oh no, copyright. They're playing the oldies. But yeah, we can't play that too much because then they won't let me post a video. Anyways, the movie audio will play through this. Obviously, if you have an FM radio in your car, you can use that. But this keeps you from draining your battery down, I guess. Oh. This sounds... Sounds like something's about to happen. Oh. Maybe not. Maybe you're about to say something.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Belmont Drive-In Theater, home of your affordable family entertainment center. Thank you for everyone for coming out to the beautiful Friday night. Rain's gone, show's on. Thank you for your patronage and support. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all been waiting for.
Oh, does this mean the screen's gonna come on? Let's get that. It's not playing the right. Okay, I was on the totally wrong frequency.
pretty cool.
I knew somebody was going to say play ball. Somebody yelled it. I knew they were going to do it too.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
Delicious things to eat.
The popcorn can't be beat. The sparkling drinks are just dandy. The chocolate bars and the candy. So let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
I remember they played that like a decade ago when I was here.
Oh, cool.
I guess I can play some cartoons.
He's always over here.
I think that's copyright, so I guess I better not be recording this.
Why not?
All right, we'll see what happens. The pickle pop is literally frozen pickle juice in a container. They said it was really good though.
There we go. Pickle pop cup stick.
No, it's literally in a cup. There's two of them if you want to try one.
Lion King and The Mummy 25th anniversary next Friday and Saturday here at the Belmont Drive-In Theater.
Yep, there you go. There's Graffiti.
Oh, feature film.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock.
Now time to watch the movie.
7 o'clock, hey.
Thank you everyone for coming out tonight to the Belmont Drive-In Theater. For those of you who are leaving after the first feature, please remember, if you will, please exit to the right of the screen slowly and safely. Again, please exit to the right of the screen. And remember to tie those trash bags up, leave them by the speaker pole, or drop them in the trash can of each end of each room, please. Those of you staying with us, we'll have a brief intermission and get to our second feature of 2-lane Blacktop. Thank you.
That's not good. It looks a bit frothy. I think we're going to need some paper towels. This is the telltale sign that your heater core has fallen. This also probably explains why the windows kept fogging up. actually might not be the heater core because it looks like it's dripping from above. So what it might be is the heater control valve, which is the other common reason why there'd be coolant in your floor in one of these cars. The controller's right there. You can see that there isn't any coolant leaking out of the drain. So that would be if it had a blown heater core. Either way, I'm gonna get hot coolant everywhere. I just did buy a brand new pair of gloves. Hold on. Gotta be quick. Okay, so what we've done is looped the heater hose for both the inlet and outlet on the engine, so it totally bypasses the heater core and the heater control valve, and that's how you can get home and not be stranded. Here. Yeah. No problem. Good to go. Good thing I bought the gloves. It does make the floor mat look brand new, huh? Yeah, I ought to just use this as cleaner. forgot to bring my tool bag. So this pretty much solves all your problems. There shouldn't be any more leak. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of going to the drive-in movie without actually seeing the movie because of copyright issues. So this just gives you an excuse to go find a drive-in movie close to you and see a film. A lot of these places will show older movies, and they do show newer movies too. It just so happened that they were showing these older movies this past weekend. It was kind of classic car night, so it was pretty cool, and it was neat to see all the old cars. And it's just a good experience if you haven't gone to a drive-in movie before. You know, it's not as cramped as a typical movie theater, and you can get up. You don't have to stay in your seat. You can sit in lawn chairs. You don't have to sit in your car. You can actually sit outside of your car. You can even sit on the grass if you want. And it's just more fun to me than a normal theater. And unfortunately, this past week we had a bunch of bad storms here in North Carolina, and in Belmont, I guess a tornado touched down and like partially destroyed the screen and some other things and killed their power and whatnot. So they say they're going to fix it back up and try to open as soon as possible, and I hope that's the case because I definitely want to be able to go back again. So be sure to check out their Facebook page. I'll put a link down in the description, and that way you can keep tabs if you want to go to the Belmont. I enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun, and definitely worth going back. So once they're back open, I'm definitely going to be going back. It's a good time, and if y'all are near Belmont, North Carolina, be sure to go yourself. It's worthwhile. $25 a car, so pack it full, I guess. But you know, food's good. The what was it? The pickle pop. It wasn't bad. It was just frozen pickle juice. But I didn't really give a review once I was eating it. But you know, would I get it again? I don't know. It was fun for 50 cents, I guess. But the rest of the food was great. The burger was great. The hot dog was great. Those fries were great. And not very expensive, you know. So it's worth going and having a meal, and you can see two movies. They play two movies at a time. We didn't stay for the last one because we had places to go and things to do. Anyways, be sure to check them out. And if you're not near here, look up, see if there's a drive-in movie theater near you. It's definitely worth going. Kids love it. They always do. So it's worth going to if you have kids. So with that being said, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. You got a little bonus, me fixing my car on the way home the next day. And yeah, you never know with old car. And all I needed to fix it was the trusty Swiss Army knife. It saved me out of a lot of situations because I actually forgot to bring my tool bag. So that worked out pretty good. And yeah, get out, drive your cars, and maybe go see a movie. And with that, catch you on the next one.